Guys, today we are reacting to this super chat. It was a request by a user called Victor Bradshaw. Thank you so much for this request. This is the Rolling Stones and Lady Gaga, Sweet Sound of Heaven, and this is live from the Racket NYC. If you're a new subscriber, then welcome. If you're not subscribed yet, hey, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video. If you have a request, there's a link in the description, or you can send a super chat. Then yeah, I'll react to your suggestion. Let's go, guys. The Rolling Stones. Or rock and roll.
Sweet sound of heaven, falling down to this earth. I hear the sweetest sounds of heaven.
This is such blues.
Drifting down to this earth. Bless the Father, bless the Son. Hear the sound of drums as it echoes through the valley and it bursts.
Mick Jagger still has his swag. There she is. Wow. Lady Gaga.
Welcome, Lady Gaga. Tumbling down to the earth. I hear the sweet sound.
Lady Gaga has such a powerful voice.
And they're praising the land of their birth. No, I'm not going hell in some dusty motel.
This is an excellent performance. I'm very happy with this. How old is Mick Jagger? He still has the powerful voice. That is fantastic. That is legendary. Guys, you know, what I really like about this is that even though Lady Gaga has a powerful voice, even though Lady Gaga has a powerful, potent voice, she did not outshine Mick Jagger. Normally women's voices are like a higher tone, right? But still. He did something there, like a sound. I don't know how you call that. And this is live. Wow.
New York City, the Rolling Stones!
Lady Gaga!
Wow.
Let's take it back.
That was amazing. What a performance. This is legendary. Honestly, like, I loved the combination of their voices here. You know, Mick Jagger, amazing with the vocals. Lady Gaga, also amazing. Keith Richards on the guitar, he was like, bro, amazing. You know, everything here. The Rolling Stones, they still have, you know, they still got it. They still have the you know, the swag. What do you want to call it? The magic. It's still there. You know, and that's why they're on top of their game. This is legendary. I really enjoyed that. And, you know, Lady Gaga, as I was saying, she has a very strong voice, and still it wasn't overpowering Mick Jagger, you know. How old is he right now, you know? And he's still very, very, very proficient. I don't know what the word is here, but he's still superstar, obviously. Anyways, guys, that was amazing. Thank you for this suggestion. If you have any more suggestions, then, you know, there's a link in the description, or you can send a super chat and I'll react to your request. Thank you so much. Take care now. Bye-bye. See you soon. Now you can get full access to exclusive content, special reactions to shows, series, anime, full movies, and even request a video of your choice. Just become a YouTube member or join Buy Me a Coffee today. Find out more, the link is in the description.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game.